Okay. First job for the morning before 12 o'clock. Customer states that the dryer was humming. It's a combo unit. Comes with the washer on the bottom, dryer on the top. Okay, when I came in here, the customer said it was humming. When I came in here and went behind the unit, it smelled like something was burning. So causing the humming. So that's the washing machine. This is the dryer. This is an LG unit. Model number, see right there, model number 68,000 V series. The cause of failure is from the lint. Right there, this is all lint here. The lint. And the lint got into the motor connection, burnt up the harness, the connector plus harness, I would say. So, burnt all the connections off of everything in here. And also, it crystallized the connector. So, you cannot connect it back again. But I said that I looked it up for the customer. I seen that they do have a part for this one. And, well, we know we could always replace the motor on it. But, yeah, stay to the customer, the cost and everything. This is a nice dryer. But, you know, all right. Y'all have a good day.